Austin architect Jamie Chioco of Chioco Design gets personal. In 2019, he embarked on a unique project, transforming his own 16-year-old Cherrywood property. Rather than demolish the existing 750-square-foot house, Chioco opted for a creative twist, relocating it to a new site 2 miles away. Sustainability and emotional attachment played a role in this decision. Living in the house for over a decade gave Chioco an intimate understanding of its potential. The new design prioritized natural light, open living areas, and a seamless connection to the surrounding landscape. For custom-built, 14-foot corner windows became the focal point, maximizing views and fostering a sense of openness throughout the house. Quantums with sliding doors further enhance this effect. The floor plan itself is intriguing. 2 rectangular volumes intersect, creating a central entry point marked by double sliding doors. This placement deviates from the traditional front door concept. Instead, Chioco designed a private courtyard entrance, offering a layered reveal of the home's interior and the inviting pool area beyond. Material choices were deliberate and understated. Warm beige modular bricks dominate the exterior, contrasted by ice green walls for the entry courtyard and western red cedar cladding on the rear storage room. Ground concrete floors flow throughout, blurring the lines between inside and outside. Inside, vertical grain white oak takes center stage for millwork and wall panels. White marble reigns supreme in the master bathroom and walk-in shower, complemented by tile accents in the kitchen and bathrooms. While the house measures just under 2,000 square feet, Chioco's clever design makes it feel much larger. The entry courtyard, covered patio, and pool all function as extensions of the living space, creating a true indoor-outdoor haven. When the Texas sunshine beckons, the entire home can be opened up, fostering a truly unencumbered connection with the outdoors. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.